Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Verasity. Okay, so now it's still on Gate.io and KuCoin, two known centralized exchanges. So I'm going to show you how to buy it. Alright, as for the other markets, it's still on some decentralized exchanges and still not on Binance. So I'm going to show and make a video about how to buy it. Alright, Verasity is a way and has a utility of to be used on gaming and streaming like Twitch or something like that, that they get to show you ads, and both of you, the one who streams and you as the person who watches, each of you gets a cut from the ads revenue. So this is the whole idea, and lately it's this everything about gaming and metaverse crypto is surging and there will be a lot of demand on it. So that's why a lot of people are recommending Verasity. Okay, so before we get into this, please do your own research. As always, any coin that you will be getting into, you always need to do your own research and see the pros and cons. Even though you don't see cons, you should be looking at the cons of that coin. All right, so to have a full idea and full perspective about that coin, then you get to invest with the money that you are willing to lose. All right, so that's out of the way. Now let's get started. So as I already told you, it's on Gate and KuCoin, so use whatever you feel comfortable using, or if you have an account on whatever platform of these that you have. Okay, so if you don't have any of these, so you'll be seeing me how to buy and how to do the process, and whatever you feel comfortable using, create an account on that. All right, you'll find links in the description, and let's get started. Now I'm going to start with Gate.io and create your account and go to wallet and deposit. Choose whatever cryptocurrency that you want to deposit, select what chain that you want to use. Here just make sure to use the same network or chain on the other platform that you are withdrawing your crypto from to here. Okay, then after you receive or deposited your assets, go to trade and spot trading. So if you have deposited any other crypto than USDT, just go to or type in the name of that crypto. For example, let's say LTC, and go to the name of that crypto that you've written and USDT. Then scroll down and sell the whole whatever amount that you feel that you want to sell and get USDT for. Okay, so for example, you can choose the whole balance that you have and click on it, and you can as well choose if you want just 50% or 100% or 75% of the amount that you have of balance of that coin that you have. Okay, and then click sell. All right, then now you got USDT. Go to here and type in VRA like this and choose USDT. Now that we are here, now you'll see that you have USDT in here. Click on it if you want to choose and fill in here and buy with this whole balance. Just click like this, or you can just choose 50% of the amount that you have on your account. Okay, as you can see here, this is the price, the current market price of VRA, as you can notice in here as well and on the graph. But if you want to bargain, you can always buy with a lower price than the market price, or you can always sell with a higher price than the current market price. Okay, but just choose a reasonable price so your order goes through. All right, so you can click on whatever price in here. For example, if we click in here, it will automatically change in here and gives us here. You can choose again and see, and then click buy. Okay, so this is how to buy VRA on Gate.io. Now let's head to KuCoin, create an account if you don't have one. If you have, just go to assets and deposit. Type in the name of the coin and click deposit, or just go to this deposit here. It's way easier and simpler. Click here and select or type in the coin that you want. For example, I choose here USDT. again choose what network that you'll be using. As I mentioned before, just make sure to use the same network that you've selected here on the other platform that you're withdrawing from. Okay, so after you've got your cryptocurrency into here or your asset into here, then go to trade and spot trading. So here we are. Again, if you have deposited anything other than USDT, just go to here and type in the name of the cryptocurrency that you have deposited, for example LTC, and choose LTC, or the name of the cryptocurrency, of course, that you've written down to USDT. Okay, let's look at it. Here it is, LTC to USDT. Let's click on it, and here we are. So here is where to sell. As I mentioned before, on gate.io it's the same way of people bargaining, and here is the market price. Click on it and it will automatically get filled in here, and in here if you clicked on 100%, it will choose the whole amount that you have of that coin that you're trying to sell. Okay, if you want to sell just 50% or whatever amount, and click sell LTC or the coin that you have. Okay, now that you have USDT right now, just go to here and type in VRA, and here it is to USDT. Scroll down here, and here where you can buy VRA. Okay, so now the same way as I mentioned before, you can choose the current market price, or if you want to bargain, you can get and choose a lower price than the current one. Okay, so click on here or whatever one you want, or the current market price, and again choose or click on the amount that you want to buy. Okay, of the USDT that you have, of the amount of USDT that you have, for example 100% of the amount of USDT that you have, and click buy VRA. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like this explanation, and please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.